The Zenfone 7 has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display that offers a 20:9 aspect ratio, Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels, and a 90 Hz refresh rate. Other features of the display of the Zenfone 7 are Delta E1 color accuracy, 700 nits brightness, DC dimming, HDR10+, and Gorilla Glass 6 protection. The Zenfone 7 Pro features the same display. The Zenfone 7 and Zenfone 7 Pro series are the only flagship phones of 2020 that come without dedicated front-facing cameras. The reason behind it is that the flip-up camera system of the Zenfone 7 can be used to capture top-notch selfie shots. The flip-up camera module of the Zenfone 7 and Zenfone 7 Pro comprise of a Sony IMX680 64-megapixel main camera with 113 FOV and f/1.8 aperture, a 12-megapixel Sony IMX686 ultra-wide lens with f/2 aperture, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 12x digital zoom support. The flip-up cameras offered photography features such as dual LED flash, 120 fps slow-motion video recording, and up to 8K video recording at 30 fps. The only noticeable difference between the cameras of the two phones is that the Zenfone 7 main camera is coupled with 4-axis OIS, whereas the main lens as well as the telephoto shooter of the Zenfone 7 are both equipped with 4-axis OIS. The flip-up cameras of the Zenfone 7 series have liquid metal housing and are powered by a new motor module for greater weight endurance. There is an angle sensor that can make the flip-up stay at predefined angles while shooting photos. The Snapdragon 865 fuels the Zenfone 7 and it comes in 6GB/8GB LPDDR5 RAM variants. It has 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. On the other side, the Zenfone 7 Pro is fueled by the Snapdragon 865 Plus mobile platform and 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. It comes with 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. For additional storage, both phones are equipped with microSD card slots. The Zenfone 7 series comes pre-installed with Zen UI 7-based Android 10 OS. Both phones are backed by 5000 mAh batteries that support 30W hypercharge fast charge technology and 27W quick charge 4.0 by Qualcomm. It also supports 18W USB power delivery. These phones offer some common features such as stereo speakers, triple microphones, side-facing fingerprint sensors, face recognition, dual SIM support, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, dual-frequency GPS, NFC, and USB-C. These devices lack support for 3.5mm audio jack. The Zenfone 7 and Zenfone 7 Pro come in two colors such as Aurora Black and Pastel White. The 6GB and 8GB RAM variants of the Zenfone 7 are priced at NT $21,990 $749, and NT $23,990 $817. The Zenfone 7 costs NTS $27,991 $1,020. The sales of the Zenfone 7 series begins today in Taiwan. The retail package of the Zenfone 7 series includes a ruggedized active case that helps in protecting the camera bump. There is no word on the international availability of the Zenfone 7 series.